Hey, Espresso lovers, Mark here with Todd from Whole Latte Love. We have something very exciting on these two dual boiler machines, Todd.
Yes,
You've worked with ECM on the Synchronika and Profitec with the Pro 700 to really up the steam pressure, right? We talked to those guys. And
I'm talking to them all the time about steam pressures. That's my big pet peeve, is the machine doesn't have enough steam pressure. So on heat exchanger machines, we're working, it's okay, let's change the restrictor size, find a way to get steam pressure up but keep the brew temperature right. And they finally got this. They got these machines figured out. They got our steam pressure up to almost 2 bar on these instead of the 1.4 bar or so. So it's made a huge difference, and we're getting great steam pressure out of them.
So these they were really nice, but they're like even better now, right?
Yeah, they've gone to the next level.
Now, and this is kind of like, this just came out, and I want you guys, if you're not a subscriber to the channel, you want to hear about this stuff, you know, click that bean down there so you can be a subscriber and make sure you turn on your notifications so you get notified about this. So what was done to upgrade these machines? And we'll show you steaming. We're going to steam and froth some milk and do a little pour right in a second.
Of course, you got to do a proper demo.
Right. But what did they do to change these machines and get more steam pressure out of them?
It was really very simple. Very simple. All they did was change the PID display on it, which fits in the front here, and they put a different pressure relief valve, which is also known as a safety valve. So now instead of getting the boiler temperature for steaming up to about 262, you can get up to 272, and that raises the pressure quite a bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, and so I've had this machine behind my desk for a couple weeks now, and I have a Marzocco GS3 up there, and I've been playing with it. Of course, everybody else in the office comes to play with it too.
Right.
And everybody's amazed by the pressure. It's a whole nother level. So it'd be great when you get to see the demo on how this works, what it is.
Very close to a GS3, or equivalent to a GS3?
Yeah, it's equivalent. They're both at about 2 bar steam pressure.
Only a GS3 runs more than double the price of these.
Yeah.
Yeah.
GS3. Yeah, I'm not trust me, you GS3 lover, I'm not cutting it down. No. I'm not saying anything like that.
You're going to get hate mail to it.
I know I'm going to hate mail, but it's a great machine. It's amazing.
Yeah.
It's $7,500.
Yeah.
And if you got to get in and service it, it's really hard. You got to get in and service this. It's cake, but that's for a whole nother thing. So you fix at home, that, not so much.
And the other question we're going to get is, hey, I already got a Pro 700 or Synchronika, what about me?
Yeah.
So what do we got? Like mine, because this is like my 700 that's always sitting over there that I use on a daily basis. I want the steam pressure, what do I do?
Yeah, well, we'll get you a PID and I'll come put it in for you. Well, they're not available now. Right now, it's April 17th.
Yeah.
Tax day, just happened. But, so some of the machines shipping out, I think around the beginning of April, already have this upgrade. So you can find out by going to your machine, setting your steam pressure up as high as it'll go. Your temperature. And if it goes up to 272, you know you have the new version. And there's some other features in that version. We'll do a video going through all those also.
And we're going to do a video, so if you want to get the upgrade, if you want to upgrade one that you already have, a Pro 700 or a Synchronika, you'll be able to do that. We'll have a kit for that. And we'll do a video, right?
Yeah, of course.
Showing you how to do that.
Do detailed instructions on how to do that. Now, the PID on the Pro or the Synchronika has a white cover on the front of it, like
kind of like a silverish finish. Yeah.
If you want that on your Pro 700, that'll fit in that, so you can get that one too. So we'll have 2 kits up there, one for the Synchronika, one for the 700.
But yeah, stay tuned. We will have those. If this video is a few weeks old, if you're watching this a month from now, or 2 more, or 2 months.
3 months.
3 months, okay.
Yeah.
Not quite sure exactly when you're getting those, but they will be available. Anything else we need to do? Because we do want to get into a little demo and show you how they
Yeah, enough talking.
Froth.
Let's do some frothing and show you how they work.
So this is the Pro 700, the old style.
The old style. Yep, so there's our pressure, 1.25. And we got on PID, we're about 260.
And that's max temp.
That's about max, yep,
okay.
It is. And here's your steam pressure.
Pretty good.
Yeah, not bad. Not bad. Then we'll go over here. Now we're almost up to 2 on the pressure gauge.
Yeah.
And over here, about 273 right now. Okay. And I can stand back and watch it how it just blasts.
Yeah, that's nice.
It is real nice. So we will do a brew.
Okay.
And we'll do some frothing.
You're going to pour some art, right? You're going to try?
Well, we'll see what happens.
I won't hold it against you. You're kind of in the spot here.
I don't care. I'll give it a good shot. Okay.
So this is a 12-ounce pitcher, right?
Yeah, 12-ounce pitcher. Then we'll do a larger one.
Okay.
Okay. Look at that roll.
Wow.
It's actually relatively easy to control, too. It's got a 2-hole tip on it, which works quite well. I might fast run a little quick here, but okay. Really nice. Whoops. Really nice and creamy. That is one ugly one, but
not your best work, but you know, there's something there, right?
I'll blame the camera in my head.
Okay.
Okay, so let's real quick.
Yeah.
We'll do a larger one now.
Okay.
Okay, so we'll grind some coffee.
All right, so we'll try a bigger pitcher now.
Yeah, do a bigger pitcher one. Now remember, I compared this to GS3. GS3 can handle commercial duty. That's not what this is meant for. So I did not mean to get that across.
Right.
Okay, now this is a 20-ounce pitcher. And still, look at the roll in that.
That's nice.
Yep.
So you're using the Coffee Mio?
Yeah, right now we're holding it about 1.5 bar pressure. It's balanced out at.
It'll just kind of hangs there.
Yep.
You've been using this a lot more than me because you won't upgrade my 700s. So,
you'll get it. Okay.
It's a little nicer than the last one.
A little nicer.
I know you still aren't going to be happy with it, but...
no, we don't want to do one takers.
Right, right. But it's still going to taste good.
Yeah, well, not only that, the machine will do the job. It's up to the barista to do their part.
Yes, yes, the machine did its job.
Yep.
That's awesome. That's really nice. And after it's steaming that 20 ounces, we're almost...
1.75, so it goes up relatively quick.
Yeah. You're just 2 degrees short of being fully heated up.
So not a commercial machine, but for good home use, this is a rocking machine.
Okay, Todd. So some really different sort of steam power with that upgrade. You
yes,
know?
It is.
And again, that's the way the machines are shipping now, right? Mm-hmm. So if you're buying one today, or maybe even a few weeks ago, again, we're on tax day, April 17th, 2018. So if it was in the last few weeks you picked one up, that's what we've been shipping. How do people know?
They check the PID, they set the steam temperature up as high as it'll go. If it goes up to 272, then you have the new version.
Well, I think we should take a drink, and what else? Is there anything else we're missing here? I don't think so.
I don't think so. I think that pretty much speaks for itself. Just we'll do better video or more videos, and we'll do one, obviously showing how to do the PID conversion. There's 2 different versions, and we'll have them.
All right.
Okay.
So don't, if you want to find out about this kind of stuff, you want to be first, be sure and subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications. Todd, thanks a lot.
Thank you, Mark.
And
thanks,
Mark,
everybody.
From Whole Latte Love. Take care, guys. Want to learn more? Subscribe now so you'll know about the latest videos on everything coffee from Whole Latte Love.